was that? We're doing the high jump! What? Don't mess with my gang. Funny idea, run into a building and go BAM BAM! Bro, I'm about to get us some free pizza. Watch this.
Put that away.
I wouldn't try that shit here, buddy. Am I white? Am I doing it right?
No.
Sorry.
We're gonna drive around one time with the windows cracked, circle back around again, and shoot at them.
I've never gang stalked before. Sorry, guys. I'm so nervous.
Right.
This is my first time.
Never say no.
No, wait, never mind. Never mind. He used to come to the side of the garage.
Okay.
We got bitched by him, but we're still gonna gang stalk him. Guys, I'm nervous. I might fuck these guys. I mean, fuck. Shit, they're right here. They're right here. Go, 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 go. Wait, go, 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 go. Bitch! Hop in. Yeah, we got the dominoes. We got the dominoes.
Oh. Ah! First, and then get it up to like $4 grand and let it pop. Oh yeah, do it. What I did going for.
Do it real quick. Hey.
Where are we going, Jimmy?
This side, gun it.
Gun it?
Yeah.
No. You're gonna fly off.
Right. Fucking hit the speed bumps full speed.
Oh no.
Take it. Right. Holy shit! Dude, again. Nate's dying. We gotta get him to a hospital. Go. You'd be terrible in the car chase. I gotta change my settings. Oh, crispy. Oh wait, I forgot you're down here. Hello.
Two wheel. Is that not two wheel?
It's gonna.
That was four.
It's gonna do a burnout now.
What was that?
We're doing the high jump.
You're taking that out with the Subaru.
I got this shit on camera.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta.
Dash cam have night vision?
Dude, that's so fucking close.
That's what she said, bro. Oh, dude, looks so close. Why you going so fast?
We're getting closer the more higher we go.
Aren't you all back? Security?
No, it ain't no security, but I'm
Alright.
myself up.
Tokyo Drift, we're timing it.
We're timing you, go.
Wait, no.
Let's catch a fucking goose. I want to catch a goose. Nate, I need your light. Nate. Oh, shit. Dude, I got a fucking heart attack. What are we doing right now?
I don't know. I'm confused.
I work with Steve Irwin. Hold up, wait, circle them. Yo, circle them. Cut them off. Nate. Oh shit.
They're gonna attack.
I ain't fucking with that. We fucked up, man. We fucked up. We started this side quest at 6. It's currently 3 p.m. 3 a.m.
Feel like a little like
Tight like my butthole. What?
So, like, look, you see that those cool buildings over there? I think we just keep sending it through here. Okay. We'll end up somewhere.
We were there when we called Edwin.
No way, we're still here, bro.
Cherry Creek. We've been in the same fucking area for like 3 hours.
Did Cardi drop yet? Wait. Why is his car an hour behind?
Go downtown.
That's
Go.
why Cardi hasn't dropped yet.
Party time. If we find IKEA, I know where to go.
Go downtown.
IKEA. Let him do his thing.
Oh shit! Go shit! Defending
Now he's gonna come and fit us.
Oh shit! The body in the back. Fuck! Look at that try hard.
It's just playing in my head every time I see those signs.
It is now 4 a.m. We hung out for 10 hours. We're about to go to bed. I got work at 7 a.m., so I'm going to sleep for 3 hours. I don't know how I'm recording this. I'm low-key out of it.
I've been driving for 10 hours.
Dude, this is muscle memory at this point on how I'm recording. But, yeah, message of the day. Time management. Please manage your time.
Plan things. Don't be spontaneous.
And video. Oh, and I love my friends. And video.